Dinner time. LS time. Ding. Still can't turn my fingers. So that was the same belt? It was you left it on there?
Same belt?
Yeah, no, on the go-kart.
Oh, on the four-wheeler?
Yeah, on the four-wheler. You never changed it?
Yeah, I never changed it. I remember I straightened it and I greased the bearing again.
Yeah.
But it was already coming apart. I ripped it in the video before that. I ripped some of the belt off so I could still get it around the house.
That's fucking smoked. She was probably around, and she said that she heard a noise too. Fucking that was the noise, dude. Yeah, huh? Backwards, huh?
Yeah.
This way?
Yeah. Say the bottom one goes through the water pump, bottom area. There you go. Shit, I didn't know you had the EGR on here, dude.
Well, this is a 2001. Yours is a 2000. It's not much difference, no?
Well, no, some of the early ones didn't even come with that stuff because they were really early. It's too cold to push that up out here. You gotta let it get warm. You should have left it inside the house, buddy.
Please.
Okay, just once. And my hands are dirty, dude.
I told him how to do it.
I know.
Put
he
it
already knows how
against
to
the
do it.
wall. Or
Okay,
put it
look,
against,
see,
like,
that's as much as I can get. Here. Yeah, my hands are dirty, dude.
Yeah, that little piece was just sitting right there, dude. That plastic. Long as bolts, huh?
That's why you need the extension for that.
And the swivel helps too.
It does, huh?
Yeah.
Remember you hated them, hated it.
Yeah, I remember. I was like, dude, yeah, I remember that. But now it's like, hell yeah, dude.
You're like, okay, now I understand it.
Well, because I didn't get the concept like how you supposed to turn it if
Dude,
it's like.
it keeps jamming my hand, man. Bam, bam. Ooh. Did it hit the ground?
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't know. I didn't. Were these common, bro, or what? To go off? Or
Yeah.
to fuck up, or what?
Well, just depends. It's just the bearing inside there that went bad. Usually when one would go out, I always try and recommend to just do them all, because then you know they're all good. You know, some people don't know when they go to the shop. They're just like, oh, let me get that. Okay, it's broken, fix it. So when it happens again, they don't even know if it was the same thing or not.
Yeah.
But while the belt's off, you could spin the rest of them and see if any of them sound like the bearings going out or if they sound bad. The main one I would check would be the power steering or the alternator, and then that the idler pulley right next to it. Because if the water pump won, then you need a water pump.
Not too tight, huh?
Yeah, not. Yeah, not too crazy.
Sucks when it's cold too. Your hands are frozen.
Okay, spin those other ones. Spin it.
This one?
Yep. Ooh. Oh, spin it faster. Oh, I know it's not too healthy.
No.
Is there any rough spots?
No.
Do you feel
Reverse.
like, yeah, go like that? It'll feel like it's stopping.
It was pretty smooth.
All right. What about spin your arm there? Okay, I don't hear nothing. Well, if it's the power steering pump, you're basically screwed anyway, so you can't really spin it.
Well, that shit just got replaced. What's the name just replaced?
Yeah.
That shit?
Well, I mean, these two are the ones that you can just unbolt and replace. If that one's bad, you got to replace the alternator. If the power steering's bad, you got to replace the power steering. And this is just a water pump, which we know it wasn't working because the belt wasn't there.
Yeah.
And it sounds good. So, okay, the belt goes back on. Did you buy a brand new belt? Oh. Hell yeah. I was like, wait, dude. It didn't look like it was fried.
A little smoked right there.
Woo! No, you gotta get. Ew. Yeah, you gotta get that off there, dude. Okay, there. That's just grease, dude. See that?
Yeah, what do I hear?
Well, it's right there. Check that out. Go. You gotta go around the crank first. Just put it down there around the crank. On this side of the water pump, squeeze it in down here, but go around the crank.
That one?
Yep. Go around that, yep. Down on this side. Now, this one right here, put this one down around the power steering. Yep. Then once it's around the power steering, up to the alternator. Okay, now you gotta work back over here to make sure you're on the crank, because then you put your wrench on the tensioner. Here, let's go ahead and put it on this side first, I guess. Yeah, because we'll put it, okay. Now see, it fell off the crank down there. You got to use your arm to, yep, squeeze it in over there. Here, yep, you got to fish this side over. Here, let me help you. Here, grab it.
Oh, this one.
Put it around the crank. Look, my hand's on, I'm doing it right now.
Okay.
Now you pull it tight on this side. Okay, where's the slack at? You want the slack up top so you can put it around this tensioner. Good, babe, we got to go around the water pump. Okay, pull it tight. Okay, is that one on?
Yeah.
Is it on? Okay, I'll hold the slack. I got it. Is it around the power steering?
No.
Okay, I'll let some go.
Oh,
fell off the water pump. I'll hold it. There you go.
Here we go.
Okay, now get the extension off there. Get your ratchet ready. Well, no, you can need a, what is that, a 15? Maybe a 14? Look at the size. It looks small. 15. Just take the extension off.
15.
Okay.
Off or on?
Off?
Okay, which way? That toward you?
No, towards you.
Oh, so the thing goes on.
Okay. Now put tension on the belt. Bring the ratchet back up. Bring the ratchet out here by the airbox. There you go. Yeah. Okay, now put tension on the belt because you got to go underneath that pulley. You got to go underneath. Yep. Tension, because I'm letting go. Tension. There you go.
And it goes underneath it?
Yep, goes underneath it. Okay.
The ratchet needs to be down a little more.
Okay, I need light to see what we're doing. I'm filming you. Okay. Now check it. Are you on the power steering? Water pump?
Yep.
Crank? All right, give it a start, and then,
Should we put that
oh, you got it. Yeah, put your airbox back on. Or your air tube. Not till later, buddy. We'll give it up. There you go, like that. Right there.
I think I was only like right close, huh?
I know. They broke down. Right down the street. Over there. So they were lucky to be right here.
Fairly close. And her people, or her friend at the coffee shop, she's like, oh, how much they're gonna cost to fix? And she's like, only like 35 bucks, you know, full 40.
Yeah.
You know, she's like, what? And I was like, well, I'm gonna fix it. She's like, and then he's like, yeah, my man's a mechanic. She's like, well, lucky for you. You know, like,
No, dude, it costs like $100 something bucks.
hard to do something
Yeah.
like this. You know?
And they'll probably try and sell you a battery, a belt. Yeah. All right, start it up. Make sure the battery light's not on.
Look. That's all my tracks. Look on the road. Look on the road. So many tracks.
Looks like someone was doing some donuts out here. Ooh, yeah, I see your tracks. Look.
Yeah, all those
Jeez, you're putting down rubber, huh?
Yep.
Nice.
We're getting on my motorcycle.
That's probably gonna start. The fan's probably gonna spin real fast. It's warm, right? It's just a light. He don't have fog lights. Battery light?
No, it's just going through a cycle, dude. You know what I mean? It's okay. You?